Hi, Ariana Schwartz with Keller Williams Realty, and I am so excited to bring you this gorgeous new listing in Forest Ranch. We will be bringing this property to you virtually 3 different ways, with still photography, video walkthroughs, and 3D virtual tours. The 3D virtual tours will serve as 24-hour open houses and will allow you to walk through the home, see every detail of the home, as well as give you a dollhouse view of the floor plan. Now back to this home. I'm standing in front of 16914 Torbett Lane, number 15, located in Forest Ranch. This is a 2-bedroom plus den, office, or flex space right off the master bedroom. 1,335 square feet with a large open concept living area and a 2-car garage. The development is known for its character and charm, as well as its extraordinary location within the Forest Ranch community. Located just steps from the community pool, walking distance to Poway Unified Award-winning schools, an easy 2-minute walk to the Forest Town Center for all of your shopping and dining needs, and an easy 5-minute walk to community parks, one being a private gated splash water park. Forest Ranch is a wonderful and thriving community, located just west of the 15 freeway as a sub-neighborhood of the Rancho Bernardo area. I'm so excited to present this property to you. For more information or a private showing, please call our office today. I'm Ariana Schwartz with the Schwartz Realty Group. Thanks so much for watching.